Okay, so in this video, I want to fix a bug that has been really annoying when playing as a client, and probably annoying for you guys too, where it constantly makes the barricade sound. So for example, if I press play with, just four clients, actually let me, even if we just do it with one, you can see if I rotate this guy to face it, let me play as a single client, watch the barricade. So you can see the boards kind of repair themselves. And yeah, we don't want that. So let's head over to our barricade.cpp and .h and look at it. So basically, on, by default, on post replicated add, we fire off post replicated change. Now, I can't remember exactly what the reason was that I did that. I might have to go and review and see if that's even, necessary. But basically, be broken for the board is going to be false by default. So we're going to jump right into the else, and the else sets B as repairing to true and sets the tick to be enabled. So that kind of starts the whole process. We don't want it to, we don't want it to do that. So what we want to do is basically have some sort of indicator that says, "Hey, I have been initialized." And the way we can, say that this board has been initialized is if it has been broken before. So we only ever want to run what's in this else statement if the board has been broken at some point. So to begin, let's go to our header and in our F barricade board struct, and let's make a simple bool B has been broken, and we'll set it to false by default. And let's add a comment that this will be true if the board has ever been broken. So let's use this, head back to the CPP, and if it's broken, we want to set B has been broken to true. And for this condition, we want to change it to else if B has been broken. So if it has been broken, then it can run this logic. So let's go ahead and close out of the editor, recompile, and relaunch. Okay, now that we are back in the editor, let's try it again as a client. And we see nothing. However, my editor did lock up. So, okay, that's in our interactability. So that actually happens every once in a while. So I'm going to screenshot that chunk to look at later. So let's go ahead, recompile, relaunch, and hopefully that just simply will not happen because we're not testing, well, that. Okay, let's try it again. And no issue. I hear no sound, no problem. So just to make sure, let's try with, four clients as a listen server and just kind of see. And I heard and saw nothing. And I am stuck. Cool. All right. So that seems to have taken care of our barricade problem. So we no longer have that, constant noise spam that keeps occurring. So with that out of the way, I will see you in the next video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.